Hi, I'm Lyn DeLorme, Instructional Designer, and in this video postcard, we'll take a tour of the newest version of Moodle, Moodle 3.0. Moodle 3.0 is the same Moodle you may already know well, but includes a number of improvements. The Moodle My homepage has been retitled Dashboard, and the first thing you may notice is the updated banner. It features several new drop-down menu options for convenient navigation within the Moodle system. Select the user ID to reveal additional menu options. Select the profile option to update privacy settings, or select the new Preferences option to customize your Moodle email notifications. Select the Grades link to view a menu of courses you are teaching. Choose a course from the listing to go directly to the gradebook for that course. When students use this feature, they will also have convenient access to their own scores or grades for all courses they are taking. Notice also that the banner tucks away as you scroll down the page. Scroll back up just a little to reveal the menu options again. Within a Moodle course site, as you scroll down a page, the Turn Editing On button remains visible for convenience, along with other navigation and display options. If you have used the clipboard block as a tool to copy Moodle resources and activities across course sites in past versions of Moodle, notice that it is now titled Sharing Cart. It is now easier to create and customize a table in the Addo text editor. Select the Table button on the menu bar of the text editor to access an enhanced settings menu, including table caption, row and column headings, and appearance options. Use the new Dates report to change all course and activity dates quickly and conveniently on one screen. This feature is especially useful if you need to update Moodle course sites that are copied from semester to semester. Access this feature under the Reports heading on the Administration block, then select Dates. If you set up group activities in your Moodle site, now you can easily see a listing of group membership. In the Administration block, select Users, then Enrolled Users to see a current course roster, including group membership for each person. If you have previously set up groups but later need to add someone, simply select the convenient Groups icon and select the group name to add that person. You can also sort the course roster by group. Select the group name from the drop-down menu and select the Filter button to display only group members. The quiz feature includes 4 new interactive question types. For the Select Missing Words question type, students choose the correct missing word from a drop-down menu to complete a sentence or paragraph. The Drag and Drop into Text question is similar, but instead of drop-down menus, students drag word choices from a word bank onto the correct space. For the Drag and Drop onto Image question type, students drag and drop text or images into the correct blank spaces to label a background image. The Drag and Drop Markers question type is similar. Students can drag and drop labeled markers onto a background image, but students will not see a visual guide to indicate locations on the background image. New options for customizing the layout and display of a quiz are also available. If you arrange questions across multiple pages, it's now possible to create section headings. You can also randomly shuffle the question order within each section. Use the new Grades Pass feature to specify the minimum score a student must achieve to be considered to have passed an assignment or other graded activity. Find this feature on the Settings page for most graded activities, or set it directly from the gradebook. Enter the minimum point value, and in the gradebook, equal or higher scores display in green, and scores that fall below the minimum display in red. Please note that students will not see the value you set for grade to pass or color codes in their gradebook displays. As always, you don't have to Moodle alone. Our team members are happy to help you transition your courses to Moodle 3.0 and become familiar with it. Contact your instructional designer or IT fellow for personalized support about these and other course technologies. And don't forget about the handy CEHD guides we've created as a quick reference for some of the most popular Moodle features. Access the guides at z.umn.edu/Moodle30 guides. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy Moodling!